Hello and welcome. What's up, guys? This is me, Ahmad Khan. I am a cybersecurity researcher and a programmer. And today's lecture, I will be reviewing my own tool called All-in-One Toolkit. Uh, well, to be honest with you, I can say this toolkit is the father of all tools. Why I'm saying this, you will see when I will explore it practically. So let's dive into the practical demonstration. You can visit Cybersec Revolution YouTube channel if you are interested in cybersecurity and ethical hacking. Similarly, in programming, you can also visit Cybersec Revolution shop if you are interested in any product. You can take it. So let's get started. So I'm still working on the tool, but hopefully it will be completed soon. But let me review it. Let me give you the review. And as you can see here, this is all-in-one I'm so sorry to pronounce it. All-in-one toolkit, which is basically developed by probably Cybersec Revolution. So sorry, I will probably affects the spelling. I will put here in. So these are all the feature. Which is provided by all-in-one toolkit. You can see it his SMS sender. You can send SMS to anyone worldwide. At his email sender, you can send email to anyone. At his email extractor, it can extract emails for you. At his email checker, it can validate emails, whether a particular email is valid or not. It will be real-time validation, keep in mind. And it can check for you phone numbers. It can find valid phone numbers for you, whether the phone number is valid or not. It can extract phone numbers for you since it is phone extractor. It can check gateway for you. For example, I'm giving you an example. Let's say you have a phone number which is provided by T-Mobile. Probably the gateway for T-Mobile is @tmobile.net. So what it does, it takes phone number list and it check based on HLR, and it decide which type of gateway a particular phone number has. It has SMS spoofer, which is very cool. You can spoof SMS. You can send SMS from any name, from phone number. It is email spoofer. Probably it can spoof email for you. It has letter encryptor. Probably it can encrypt your HTML letter. Probably I am the developer of this tool. I am still working on it. Once it will complete, I will release it on my official website. It has like theme change. If I will click here, you can see here dark. Probably it's not dark, but it's look like dark and light mode. So it has this menu. If I'll click here, you can see here the icon. It will toggle and it will show icon with text like this is home, SMS sender, email extractor, email checker, phone validator, phone extractor, gateway checker, SMS spoofer, email spoofer, and letter encryptor. If I'll click on again, you can see here it will collapse. If I'll click here, it will expand. So pretty cool, probably. So first of all, let's explore the email sender, SMS sender. If I'll click here, you can see here probably pretty convincing. And you can browse phone numbers. Once you will browse your phone number, probably what you can, you have to put your phone number, your own phone number from which you want to send SMS. And probably it will ask for the API. Probably it's required API to send SMS, and you can type your message like something like this, depends on you. And probably then you can send SMS. If I'll click here, you can see here, please select a phone number list first. It can deal with errors and exceptions. Okay, so I will click on OK probably. And now let me explore the next feature, the next function, email sender, which is pretty amazing. And you can see here it asks for browse email list. Probably you can browse your email list. If I'll click here, you can browse your email list. Once you will browse your email list, you can choose the subject, and then what you can configure the SMTP. If I'll click here, probably you have to put your SMTP detail, SMTP server, username, password, and port, and you can save. And then what you can compose your email. It can send like in two way, whether you can choose like plain text. If you want, you can choose plain text, and same other case if you would like to send your email an HTML format, you have to click here. Once you will click here, it will be like switched to HTML format, and it will be supported HTML format. You can write your HTML format, and probably it can support attachment file. It can support attachment. You can browse your attachment. If I'll click here, let me just give you an example. Let me click on this. You can see here, and then probably you can send email. Probably you can see here, please select email list, since I did not select this. And now let's explore the third feature. If I'll click here, you can see here email extractor. Probably you have to choose, you have to specify website lists. Probably it will grab from websites. Okay, you have to choose, and then you can click on start extraction. Probably I did not choose it. I will click on OK. Probably if I'll search for Google, I'm just giving you a simple example. We believe if I'll click on start extraction, it will extract for you, and you can clear the log. You can see how it will clear. You can save the extracted email as well, which is pretty cool. And now let's explore the fourth feature, email checker. If I'll click here, probably it will check email for you. This validation will be real-time validation. It will check whether the email is exist or not. Okay, this will be real-time validation. If the email is not exist, it will probably show, it will display is invalid, or it will flag is invalid. Okay, and you can browse your email list probably, and then what you can check, start checking. It will start checking, and it will print here. Okay, and then probably you can clear the log, and you can save the valid result, valid email. Once you will click on valid email, it will save valid emails for you in a txt format, and you can see the description as well, which is quite convincing. You can see here, save all valid email to a file. Pretty good option for you. So let me explore the next feature. If I'll click on phone validator, probably as I said before, it can validate phone numbers for you based on HLR. Okay, so what you have to put your API key, and then probably you can browse your email, phone numbers list. Once you will browse phone numbers list, you can click on validate. It will start validation, and then it will display here. Okay, it will display all the emails. Probably you can clear the log, and you can save the valid phone numbers. Okay, now let me explore the next feature. If I'll click on phone extractor, probably it can extract phone numbers for you. You can click on browse files. Probably I will make it more advanced, since as I said before, it's still under development phase. Once I will complete it, I will publish it on my official YouTube channel, and I will announce it on my official, on our official platforms such as LinkedIn, Twitter, probably formerly Twitter, it's X right now, and on like Facebook. And then I can click on grab. It will grab like phone numbers for me, for you as well. Probably once you will purchase it, and it will like, you can clear it and you can save it. Now let me explore the next option, which is gateway checker. Probably as I said before, you can browse your phone numbers list, and based on your phone numbers, it will decide if the phone number is T-Mobile, if the phone number's carrier is like Verizon, AT&T, and probably it will find the gateway for you, and it will gives you a gateway form, such as, for example, this is phone number. For example, I'm giving you an example. Probably it's not a phone number, it's not a valid phone number. Just for your understanding purpose, let's assume that this is the phone number, which is T-Mobile. So what it will does, it will take a list, it will take the phone number in a list form from you. You have to browse the list, and it will check, let's say, if it will find it's like T-Mobile. So it will gives you an output like @tmobile.net. it will find the carrier, and then based on the carrier it will find a gateway for you, and then probably it will generate here. Once you will click on generate gateway, then you can save it. Okay, you can use this concept from email to SMS. When you try to send SMS using email, like from email to SMS using SMTP, you have to convert your phone numbers into this form. You have to find the carrier, and then you have to find the gateway as well. So this is very helpful for you as well. Now let's explore the next feature. Probably if I will click on SMS spoofer, you can spoof SMS, and you have to choose a recipient phone number, I mean your victim phone number, and then from spoof sender you can choose like Google. Probably you can choose a number, and then you have to put the API. You have to take API for this, and then you have to write a message, a spoof message, and then you can spoof the message. Okay, probably it's a really cool option. As I said before, you can change the theme as well. And now let's move to the next feature, which is email spoofer. Probably you can spoof email, like you can send from email, like support@apple.com, and then probably your recipient email, your target email, and then you can choose the subject, and probably you have to click on SMTP setting and add to get the SMTP. Probably I will fix it. You can see here it's not look like good, but I will anyhow I will fix it. Okay, if I'll click here, I will fix it. Okay, so the next option is probably send is HTML. As I said before, you can send as we explored this option in email sender. Same as a case you can use. Similarly, you can use this option on email spoofer as well. You can send your email as in HTML format as well. Once you will click this button, probably it will switch to HTML format. It will support HTML format, and then you can write your message. You can browse your attachment. You can send this email is an attachment with attachment as well, and then you can click on spoof email. It will send a spoof email to your victim. Now let's explore the last option, which is letter encryption. Probably pretty convincing, and not convincing, probably pretty interesting for you guys. You can browse your HTML, like sometime when you perform a reteaming operation or any other operation like penetration testing operation, when you're trying to deliver like phishing links via HTML letter into victim inboxes, are like malware, depends on you on your objective. Sometime it will like goes to spam. For this purpose, you have to use obfuscation technique, encryption technique, in order to make it hard for the spam bot detection, I mean for the Gmail, like for Outlook, to bypass them. So you have to click on browse. Probably once you will click on browse, you have to browse your letter. For example, this is my letter. I will click on open. Probably you can choose the method. I will use JavaScript evil obfuscation. Probably I will add some more method as well. If I will click on encrypt, you can see here the letter has been successfully encrypted, and probably then you can save it. If I'll click on save, you can choose an output. Okay, so this was the last feature of all-in-one toolkit. We will try to keep the price minimum so that every person can purchase it easily. We will make it affordable for you according to the feature. Probably it has like 10 features: SMS sender, email extractor, email checker, phone validator, phone extractor, gateway checker, SMS spoofer, email spoofer, letter encryptor. Usually like people selling SMS sender just for $100, some people for $200. Some is the case email sender like for $100, $200. But it has 10 different feature all in one, which is like provided by just one software. So probably we will try to keep the price minimum so that everyone can purchase it easily. You can contact us via Telegram. You can contact us via WhatsApp. We have mentioned our platform here. If I'll click on more, you can join our Telegram channel as well. You can see this is my own WhatsApp. This is our support WhatsApp. and or Facebook, Google Play application, probably X account, LinkedIn. You can contact here. So I hope this will be interested for you guys. Thank you.